conductivity, total hardness, chemical oxygen demand, chloride, calcium, alkalinity. Here in the result and discussion part, experimental results of various physico-chemical parameters are compared with drinking water quality. Parameters of different agencies. The results indicate that the water quality of hand pumps are polluted, having existing concentration of iron is not best for domestic purpose. My next point is the suggestion part, which includes two factors. First is water and sanitation, which are closely related. Improper and poor sanitation is the cause of many diseases, and it also results in poor quality of water. Second factor is the flood affected areas. An additional water population problem arises in these flood affected areas of northeastern Kosi region. So to have clean or potable water, the hand pumps or borewells should be constructed with raised platform, which should be more than the expected highest flood level in this very eastern region of Bihar and wherever needed. Lastly, I would like to say that it is well known by every one of us that access to fresh and clean water is a basic necessity of any living being for existence. But now it is least available. The adage that we have heard many times before, water, water everywhere, not a single drop to drink, rightly fits the current scenario. So the question is, who is responsible for these contaminations or these problems? The animals? No, we are responsible. Someone has correctly said that man is the only animal that fouls its own nest, and we are the ones who need to take essential measures to prevent environmental deterioration. Concluding all, we need pure water to live a healthy life, and we are well aware of the existing situation. And I really hope that this national seminar would help all of us to expand our mental horizon and understand the socio-economic impact of environmental deterioration, specifically or including water pollution, because clean water starts with you. After all, अच्छी से अच्छा चाहिए तो साफ जल अपनाइए. जय हिंद, जय भारत, or maybe I should say साफ हिंद, सुरक्षित भारत. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Zahra.
Thank you, sir.
I would like to invite the next speaker, Ashutosh Kumar of the same department, PG Department of Chemistry, Pune University. Ashutosh Kumar.
निकाल दिए
इसी पेन ड्राइव में
Good morning. I am Ashutosh Kumar, a student from PG Department, Purnia University, Purnia. As you can see on the screen, that my topic is groundwater arsenic contamination in Gangetic Plains, a review and a scope for remedy. We discuss general information of arsenic. Arsenic is the 20th most evident chemical element in the earth, discovered by Albert Magnus in 1250. Its atomic number is 33, molecular weight 74.92 gram, and color is gray, white, silver, or not have a taste or odor. Arsenic has been discussed in Kautilya Arthashastra, in which arsenic has been named Harital. At that time, it was used to erase the errors occurred during the writing of Ved and Puran. Next, we discuss about difference between organic arsenic and inorganic arsenic. Arsenic is present in water in a variety of organic and inorganic chemical forms. Organic arsenic bonded to carbon and hydrogen atoms, and inorganic arsenic not bonded to carbon atoms. Organic arsenic is less toxic and inorganic arsenic is more toxic. Next, Environmental sources of arsenic. Drinking water is the largest sources of arsenic poisoning worldwide, emitted from volcanoes. Next, anthropogenic sources of arsenic. Arsenic also can be released into groundwater as a result of human activities such as mining, as a industries in animal feeds, as a wood preservatives, as a pesticide and others. Next, we discuss use of arsenic. Arsenic, also called poisonous of king. It is used as to make a special glass and preserve wood and insecticide and rat poisons or medicinal uses. Next, we discuss about arsenic contamination in Bihar. Bihar is the second most affected Indian state with arsenic contamination after West Bengal. More than 1 million people in Bihar are drinking water with arsenic concentration greater than the WHO BIS Bureau of Indian States permissible limit of 10 microgram per liter. It is the first time a study found arsenic is locally grown food items, rice, wheat and potatoes. Next. Next, Bihar finding. Recently, Mahavir Cancer Research Institute, Patna examined water samples of 322 places and blood samples of 120 people in different districts of Bihar, in which the amount of arsenic was found to much more than the prescribed limit, which caused such damage to human body. Next, amount of arsenic in our area. The amount of arsenic in the groundwater of many districts of Bihar has been found to excessive, and the result of the research done by various institutes of shocking. As many as 16 of the 13 districts in the state have an arsenic level of the World Health Organization permissible limit 10 microgram per liter. You can see the picture. I have tried to trace the amount of arsenic of our local place Harda and Kaswa, which is in Purnia districts. I got the amount of arsenic was 0.097 and 0.67 milligram per liter respectively. Next we discuss about impact of arsenics. Long-term exposure to arsenic from drinking water and food can cause cancer, skin color change, eye inflammation, muscle cramps, and diarrhea. Next, according to Ghosh, more than 1 million people have died in Bihar from arsenic contaminated groundwater. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Time is over. Any question? Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Next participant is Tarannum Ara. I request Tarannum Ara come and present the piece.
जी सर, केमिस्ट्री।
Good afternoon to all of you. My topic is physico-chemical characteristic of borewell water samples of Purnia town, Bihar, India. Introduction. Water pollution is a serious alarming problem as in India. Almost 70% of surface and groundwater reservoirs have been contaminated by biological, inorganic and organic pollution. However, the ability and quality of drinking water or fresh water has become a scarce commodity due to over exploitation. The present investigation has been taken to characterize physico-chemical parameters of borewell water 5 specified points station of municipality area of Purnia town, which once called as Kala Point. Importance. It enables us to determine the extent to which water is potable for drinking. It is helpful in determining whether the groundwater is contaminated with soil or not. Study area. The physico-chemical characteristic of groundwater of 5 selected points station in Purnia town wise Madhubani, Lamba, Gulambagh, Line Bazar, Kiahat and nearby areas of Port Station, Purnia, where studies Line Bazar, Line Bazar station. Borewell water from this station was collected in the month of October 2019 to February 2020. The depth of the borewells range from October 16 feet to 22 feet in all stations or area of Purnia town. The sampling station with their corresponding habitats and borewell sampling depth are summarized in objective of the work to analyze the groundwater quality of Purnia urban area by determining various physico-chemical parameters to assess the suitability of groundwater quality index of this area. Scope of the work. The physico-chemical analysis groundwater quality help us to determine whether the groundwater is contaminated with impurities such as soil or not. This analysis help us to determine whether the polluted water has infiltrated into the groundwater table. Physico-chemical parameters: temperature, electrical conductivity, potential of hydrogen, total hardness, chemical oxygen demand, total dissolved solid, chloride, calcium, alkalinity. Chemical analysis. It is basically refers to the analysis of physical and chemical parameters of water quality. The electrical conductivity and potential of hydrogen was measured. Digital conductivity meter and potential hydrogen meter respectively. Total hardness and calcium content by EDTA. Ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, titrating method, alkalinity and chemical oxygen demand, upper reflex method and AFA, American Public Health Association. Standard method with used. Result and discussion. Experimental result of various physico-chemical parameters of the underground water samples are summarized in table. As you can see the chart in tabular form, physico-chemical analysis of borewell hands pump water October 2019 to February 2019.